In this video, I'm about to show you how to send marketing emails on Shopify. First, open Google Chrome and search for Shopify to get started. Now, click the first link that appears, which will take you to Shopify's main page. Then, click on Login and enter your Shopify credential to access your account. Once you're logged in, go to Settings from the bottom left corner of the dashboard. This is where you can manage various aspects of your store, including notifications. Next, click on Notification from the left menu. Here, you'll find different types of email notification you can customize and send. Now, look for Customer Notification and click on it. This section allows you to manage automated emails for customers, including those for order confirmation, shipping updates, and more. Then, find Order Confirmation and select it. This template is often used for confirming customer orders. Now, click on Send Test to preview to your marketing emails will look like. Then, click on Send to have the test email sent to your linked email address. After that, open New tab and go to Gmail. Open the account associated with your Shopify store and look for the email from Shopify. Now open that email and here you'll see how the message is displayed, giving you a chance to review the format and content. This will help ensure your marketing emails look polished and professional every time they're sent to customers on Shopify. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.